Hello everyone, it's me Mohib, and we're doing an experiment to recognize the pitch and intensity of sound. Here we need 5 bottles named A, B, C, D and E. The bottle A has less volume of liquid, B has a little more, then C has more than B, D has more, almost most, and E has the most water. So to recognize the pitch of the water, we take the bottle close to our mouth and blow across the mouth of the bottle like this. You hear a different kind of sound. You will guess it when we compare it to the other one. You see that it one has more than a bottle A. Then let's try C. It's a little high pitched. This is more high pitched than C. Then let's go for E. You see that this bottle has a high pitched sound. The conclusion to this experiment is when we blow across the mouth of the bottle like this, air goes in, but when air goes in, there is already extra air in and a little water in. So when we blow in, some of the air comes out and makes the different sounds. That's what happens to all the bottles. But when we do it to the big one, the one which has more liquid in it and less air, when we blow more air, the air comes out and makes a high-pitched sound. Thank you. Bye bye.